Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm be showing you how to summon a chicken jockey in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is spawn a zombie and a chicken, how I did it, I just spawned with spawn eggs and I put them inside this box of barriers so they won't escape. And we're going to do next, to make them ride each other, we're going to do this command, /ride, @e type equals zombie, @e type equals chicken, or sorry, not like that, type of zombie, and then start underscore riding, @e type equals chicken, like that, and that's because, okay, my zombie just died, sorry about that, if we just do it again, there we go, as you can see, the zombie is now riding chicken. There's actually no way to spawn in the a baby zombie by itself in this game, I'm pretty sure. So you just have to keep on spawning more and more zombies until you get it. So with that, that's the end of this video. And just as Steve said in the movie, Chicken
Chicken
Jockey.
Jockey!